Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spicy salmon bowl. It's so easy to make, very flavorful. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to start off by making the spicy mayo dressing. I'm going to be adding about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and also 1/4 tablespoon of paprika and 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it all together until we get a smooth dressing. Just like this. I'm gonna start cutting my salmon. I'm using 8 ounces. I've already removed the skin and I'm gonna cut it into 1-inch pieces. To season, here we have a half a teaspoon of each: paprika, oregano, and garlic powder. And here we have 1/4 teaspoon of each: cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. And now we mix it. We let it sit for about 10 minutes. I set my pan to medium-high heat and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Oil is hot, I'm gonna add the salmon. Make sure to toss it constantly until all sides are golden. This should take anywhere from 4 to 6 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes and our salmon is now ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and set it to the side. Now it's time to assemble our bowl. I'm going to add white rice. I'm going to add some mango, some cucumber, some avocado, our salmon, some jalapeños, and now we drizzle with spicy mayo dressing. And there you have it, delicious spicy salmon bowl. Okay guys, my favorite part. Cheers. Delicious. The salmon, just perfect amount of spice. The jalapeños, you definitely need to try it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!